If it goes off, your airbag doesn't deflate on its own, but stays inflated to protect you in case of a major accident. To deflate your airbag, you gotta take out the old inflator and slap in a fresh one to reactivate your airbag. And for that, you will need a brand new inflator and either a compressor or a bike pump. You can purchase inflators on In&motion's website or from an authorized dealer. Hey, just so you know, there are different types of inflators depending on your airbag. The reference of the inflator compatible with your system is indicated on the inflator label and on the label located on the connector cable. You can also refer to the user manual of your airbag product to find out the inflator reference of your product. Start by removing the worn-out inflator. Heads up, inflator can get hot after being inflated. Just press the button on the case to remove the in box. Open the zipper on the back of your airbag and unclip the inflator from its housing without pulling on the cable. Unplug the connector. Hey, just so you know, depending on the inflator model, the way to remove it isn't exactly the same. For IMI 2368 ref, just slide tool onto connector. Use tool or fingers. Press down on 2 black tabs of connector to secure it in place. Hold them down, then gently pull to unplug. For the IMI 71-12 reference, pinch the ring and pull to disconnect the connector. Finally, you can unscrew the used inflator. Make sure the gasket is properly positioned and not damaged. Now let's move on to checking the airbag system's integrity. Make sure that the plastic parts, seams, zippers, fabric, back protector and connector are not damaged. If you suspect any deterioration, hole, tear, breakage, whitening of plastic parts, damaged stitching, do not use your product. Contact your dealer immediately. Take your inflation adapter that is included with your spare inflator. Screw the inflation adapter into position instead of the old inflator. And using a pump or compressor, inflate the airbag to 0.3 bars and make sure it stays inflated for 5 seconds while checking the fabric parts and seams for any damage. If the airbag deflates rapidly, do not use it and make sure to contact your dealer for assistance and further instructions. If everything is okay, unscrew the adapter and release all the air from the airbag pocket. Finally, let's install the new inflator. Never touch the connector, the blue or black part, depending on the inflator, and don't connect the inflator before screwing it into the airbag. Insert the new inflator, reconnect the connector. Attach the inflator to its housing using a snap mechanism. Make sure the alu cap is properly positioned against the block to ensure that the inflator is securely in place. Zip it. Then insert the lit in box into its housing. The LED inflator in the top left should turn green. You got any doubts or questions? For more details, refer to the user manual of your product or the help section of the website.